Welcome to the KeyBank Online Services Guide. In today's fast-paced world, online banking is more important than ever. Let's take a look at the KeyBank mobile banking app. It offers a variety of features designed to help you manage your finances effortlessly. You can download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it to begin the setup. Navigating the app is straightforward. Let's explore the key components and tools you'll be using. You can easily view your account balances, transaction history, and other account details right at your fingertips. To make deposits, use the mobile check deposit feature. It's as easy as taking a photo of your check within the app. You can transfer funds between your KeyBank accounts and even to other banks through the app, making managing your money simple. Stay informed by setting up alerts for your transactions and account activity. This feature keeps you updated and in control. Security is paramount. Follow these tips for safe mobile banking practices to protect your financial information. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance with KeyBank Online Services, please visit our website or contact us directly.